Hi guys, this is Sajna Binil and welcome to the Business Analysis Guide. This is part 6 of our elicitation series, How to Gather Requirements. In my last video, I had shown you how to gather requirements using the mind mapping technique. In today's video, we will talk about the process flow technique. So let's get started. So process flow, as you all know, provides a visual representation of the steps in a process. It is widely used by business analysts in process improvement projects as well as requirements gathering. So if your customer's business process is too lengthy or complex, use a process flow diagram to illustrate it rather than writing it in a textual format. Why? Because it will give everyone a clear understanding of the process and it will help you identify any non-value added operations, which processes can be automated and which have to be kept manual. It will keep everyone on the same page. So in today's video, I will show you how to draw a process flow diagram in 4 simple steps. Step 1, write down the steps in the flow. Okay, so if you're a beginner to process flow diagram, I highly recommend you write down the steps in the flow before you draw it. So here we have taken a simple example of a customer calling the support team of an organization to log a complaint. The support team will record the complaint, raise a ticket and allocate the ticket to the technical team. The technical team will then fix the issue and close the ticket. So let's see how we can show this in the form of a diagram. So the next step would be to identify the roles in this flow. So I can see 3 roles here: customer, support team and technical team. However, we have to take into consideration only the active roles which are participating in the flow. So you see, customer does not have a significant role to play here because the customer is just calling the support team. It is a support team and the technical team who works together to close the ticket. So we consider 2 roles over here, 2 actors over here. So our step 2 is identify the actors, which we have already done, and draw swim lanes for these actors. So these are the 2 swim lanes that we have drawn for the support team and technical team. Now what are swim lanes? Swim lanes are boundaries or areas within which a role is supposed to perform their task. You will get to understand this better when we draw the process flow diagram. Okay, so the step 3 will be to draw the basic flow, which we have already written in a textual format. So this is our basic flow. In the basic flow, we have a start event. So we have to remember the notations which are given in a process flow diagram. Start event is shown in the form of a circle. Our start event here is customer calling the support team. So we indicated it as customer calls. Each of the tasks performed by the support team and the technical team are shown as square-shaped boxes. So the support team logs complaint, raises ticket, allocates the ticket, and the technical team, the flow then moves to the technical team swim lane. You see, when a task that is performed by the technical team comes into picture, the flow automatically moves to the technical team swim lane. So technical team attends to the complaint, or you can say fixes the issue, and finally closes the ticket. So the close event is again shown in the form of a circle which has a thicker boundary. So these notations you have to remember in a process flow diagram. Our last step, step 4, will be to further expand this flow if you want to include failures or business rules. So let's say in our basic flow, we want to add a business rule wherein the customer calls and the support team analyzes the complaint and identifies whether it's a known issue or an unknown issue. So we add an exclusive gateway, which is the notation of diamond shaped control. So if it is a known issue, the support team informs the customer and the flow ends over there. But if it's an unknown issue, then the flow progresses as it was in the previous basic flow. So if it's an unknown issue, the support team logs the complaint, raises the ticket, and the flow proceeds. So that's how you can draw a process flow diagram using 4 simple steps. A point to be noted is when you're new to a process flow diagram, do not include the failure conditions in the first step itself. Draw the positive flow first and then include the failure conditions. So my next video is about user stories. If you like this video, drop us a like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much.